Shenzhen Li Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a company that adheres to the principles of quality first, integrity and pragmatism in business, energy conservation and environmental protection design philosophy, and technological leadership in future innovative thinking. It is dedicated to the research and development, production, sales, engineering installation, and after-sales service of ice machine equipment. The product has passed international safety certifications such as CE certification. The company has an industrial park-style production plant covering an area of nearly 5,000 square meters, with large-scale mechanical processing, sheet metal welding, heat treatment, electrical assembly, and unit assembly workshops. It is currently one of the large-scale ice machine manufacturers with strong processing strength, complete production equipment, and advanced production technology in China. At present, there are dozens of models in the two major series of fluorine system ice machines and ammonia system ice machine evaporators, with 24-hour ice production ranging from 300 kilograms to 200 tons, fully meeting the growing demand for commercial and industrial ice. The product is widely used in various occasions, such as aquatic product processing and preservation, fruit and vegetable preservation, meat processing, poultry slaughter rate, pharmaceutical and chemical industry, textile printing and dyeing industry, ocean fishing, scientific experiments, nuclear power plants, and concrete pouring. We will provide the most reasonable and efficient design solutions based on the actual needs of customers and solve their maximum needs with the most professional and reasonable solutions.